Alright, welcome back everybody to another Buzz with Your Cuz. This is not a sponsored video, but we do have a big thanks. We actually received today's product from Garden State Tomatoes on Instagram. So make sure you go over there and check out that feed. I don't know if there's a lot going on in the wintertime, right? It is a garden, but we'll make sure to keep you updated in the summertime and show you all the things that are happening there. So go follow, right? It's follow. Instagram? It is follow. Yeah. Okay. So this drink is actually a collaboration. Speaking of which, I'm going to talk about Study Break, which is LA's first independent hard seltzer company. And maybe you'd like to introduce the collaboration person.
Loryn Powell.
Loryn Powell.
So Loryn Powell, if you do not follow her, she is hilarious.
I need a drink. Let's see. What do I feel like drinking? Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, you're like obsessed with me. I'm not. I'm very popular, okay? I'm used to it. Leave the girl alone. Nice try, but she's not in college anymore. Okay, ouch. Did you have a festival yet, too? Please, I don't taste like a gum that no one's chewed since the 90s. How would you know? You weren't even born yet. All right, everyone calm down. I love you both equally. What about me? Do you still love me? Oh my god, Jose, you are so thirsty.
They call her the Seltzpert, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is a drink that she has a collaboration with a company. And I believe it's pretty much, what did she want? A true pumpkin spice latte with booze and caffeine. So this comes in a can. Well, right off the bat, you'll see that this is a full-size can, like a beer can, right? So a lot of the seltzers, you know, they're thinner, they're taller. It kind of gives you the idea that it's a lighter drink. This is 6.5% alcohol, so it's a little bit higher than the other ones. No sugar, 50 milligrams of caffeine. There's a lot of punny business going on in this can, right? Do you want to read that one?
Oh my gourd.
Right, go big or gourd home. And hey, gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm going to open it up. Sounds good. You want to smell that? What do you smell?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin
Smells
booze.
Good.
You can taste the coffee too.
Let me see.
It actually is a pretty good representation of a seltzer-based pumpkin spice latte.
It's really good,
right?
Spice flavor.
It's got spice. It tastes sweet, but there's no sugar in it. I think it's stevia. So yeah, Study Break did a great job with this, and I'm sure with the input from Loryn. I also noticed it says it's a wine-based hard seltzer. So that's a little different.
That's probably why it's 6.5%, I would guess. It popped it up.
But yeah, carbonated water, wine, coffee, natural flavors, and real pumpkin puree. So I know Study Break, they do, I'm going to pour a little bit into a glass, although I think it's meant to be drank out of a can. Most of the times when you have a nitro beverage, they ask you to kind of like shake it up to activate it and pour it, but there's no instructions here, so let's just pour a little and see what it looks like. There we go. Buzz with Your Cuz glass. Nicely carbonated. Now you could really smell the coffee now. Check that out.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah,
And I think
completely
it's
different. Colombian coffee, that's correct.
I'm tasting again from the can.
You know what? It smells better from the glass, but it tastes better in the can, in my opinion.
Let's see.
Try it out.
I love the smell of this. Oh, you're right.
Yeah, much better. Keep it in the can, folks. They knew what they were doing when they bottled this, or canned it, I'm sorry. It's gluten-free. And Study Break, they do a lot of like cocktail ingredient type seltzers. So this one is wine-based. I get it. I think it does taste like a true PSL.
I agree.
And get you a little buzz too, 6.5%. If you ever seen this pumpkin spiked latte, comment below. Let us know, if this is something that you would drink. This is a good one. This will keep you up too. Don't drink this late. Can't drink a 6 of these and then expect to pass out. So again, thanks to Garden State Tomatoes, Instagram, right? At Garden State Tomatoes.
Yep.
You'll put it below.
Yep.
At Loryn Powell and at Drink Study Break. I think that covers everybody except for at Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. But you're already here, sort of. Follow us on any platform. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below.
What do I want to add? Just one quick shout out. I know
Quick
it's
shout.
the end of the video, but we just discovered 2 people, Mark and Kim.
Oh, two people,
not
sorry.
5. 2 people, Mark and Kim, who are such a great new channel. So they are just starting out. They are less than 200 subscribers. They make cocktails, and his channel name is Right on the Mark.
Right on the Mark.
Yes.
So is that R-I-G-H-T or W-R-I-T-E?
Oh, good question. R-I-G-H-T. Great channel. Please go and check them out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on our own video.
Yeah, absolutely. And we're going to close this out with another shout out to Cocktail Tony. We haven't spoken to him in a while. I know he's probably freezing in Colorado still, and we are enjoying the sunny weather in the South. So with that, we will see you next week with something a little bit less exclusive, but hopefully just as good. Buzz with your cuz.